So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will be talking about the Motorola RAZR phone. Yeah, we have seen it before. Yep, the button ones and the flippable one. Now the screen flipping phone without button is coming your way. It made both future and the history. They are making the future ahead, but they have also made the history. So let's talk about it in this video. Let's get started. So the Motorola RAZR phone. So you have seen it before in the history. It made the history awesome and it is making the future awesome. So why the history was awesome? Because the flippable phone was so extreme and it was new thing to come in that time, because when you shut the phone the strange feeling comes inside and it will look so interesting and so amazing when you shut the phone and open it. I used to do calls on it. Even if I don't want to call anybody, I just call, because I used to love the feeling of calling anybody and shut the phone and then listening to the calls and talking to them. I really love that feeling, the shutting of phone and then opening it up. I really do that 10 times in a day, and yes, the phone was amazing. Moving on, let's take that down and show you the real Motorola RAZR of 2019. So it is the interesting phone. You have seen the same flippable thing has came in our way, and it's the ultimate flippable phone till now. Yeah, there is Huawei Mate X, but this phone seems promising with its screen and it won't broke. If you haven't seen the Samsung Galaxy Fold broke, if you haven't seen that, link in description. We will not talk about it here because this is interesting one. So this phone is really amazing. The Motorola RAZR is really amazing. You just shut the phone and open it up. Some of the reviewers are saying that it's hard to open, but you get used to it when you open it and close it, because you haven't used the flippable phone a decade ago. Yep. So if you want that phone, you need to listen and see this video carefully, because I am about to break down its specs. So moving to its specs. So Motorola RAZR specs. So first of all, when you see the phone, what will you see in the phone? First of all, its screen, because it's flippable, of course its screen. So let's talk about its screen. So the bigger screen, when you open the phone, the bigger screen is of 6.2 inches, and when you close the phone, how much the screen becomes? So it becomes almost 2.7 inches of screen. So yeah, that's the screen sizes, and the small screen is made of OLED. So yeah, that's the screen. Moving on, what you will see in the phone next, I think the camera, because how I see the phone, I think you also see that way, because after screen you come to its camera. So the camera, moving to its back side first. So the back camera is of 16 megapixel and it runs at 2160 pixels at 30 fps if you record the videos. Moving to its front side of the camera, it is having 5 megapixel of camera with 1080p at 30 fps video recording. That's the cameras. Moving on, if you close the phone, you can also use the 16 megapixel of camera. The tip or hack, you can say, yeah, they have both camera, you can use any of them. If you close the phone, you can also use the 16 megapixel phone to get better qualities in your pictures. Just telling, I know you already know that, but yeah, that's my thought that you should know also. So moving on, what you will see in the phone next? Am I listening? Yeah. Oh, I heard you. Battery. So the battery is about 2510 mAh of battery. Yeah, the battery is very small. I know that in our day-to-day usage, our usage has been increased too much. We already we all always see our phones in front of us. Business, everything is done on phones nowadays. So you need to have a power bank. Link in description, but first buy the phone, then buy the power bank. I'm not in a hurry. Anyways, if you want to buy with the link in description, you can also buy them. The best buying link in description, because I will provide you my best buying link. From me you can get the best and the best. So always check out link in description. And the Motorola is really good phone in terms of screen and all that, but if it comes to its cameras, it's still not capable of hitting that camera mark, because still it got that flipping and all that thing going on. So they haven't focused on their camera, battery and their processor thing. Moving on to its processor, I haven't told you the processor. So what processor it is running on? It's Snapdragon 710 processor it is running on. Yeah, it's quite good, but not that much of flagship type of processor. Yeah, I know that, but they haven't focused on anything apart from the screen itself. Like, yeah, you can see that in the phone itself. Yeah, the processor is quite good, the cameras are good, not like that much good. The battery is okayish, or you can say lower than okayish. So yeah, keeping that aside, the phone looks really awesome. Where is the fingerprint scanner? That's what you are thinking. So on the smaller screen you can see the fingerprint scanner on there. So there is the fingerprint scanner mounted on screen. Fingerprint scanner is embedded in the phone. That's how we do it, baby, on screen fingerprint scanner. So yeah, the phone looks really promising with its flipping and all that stuff. They have checked, they have almost flipped the phone above 1 lakh times. That's what they have told us in their report and their launch, I think. That's what they have told, and that's how they have checked the display is really running good or not. So yeah, that's all I think. No, so the prices, the prices, I left you with the prices. So you will be thinking, let me tell the price and then we'll decide if you want to buy or not. So here goes. So they haven't told us any sale date or any prices, they haven't told us yet. So what should we do? So they have told us, they haven't told us any prices, and there is price in euros. There is a price that they have officially announced, but it's in euros. It's 1600 euros. But if it will be same in India and other countries, then it will be converted, and in India it will be around 1,26,000. Yup, that's so that's the price what I think it should be followed in India, but I'm not sure about it. So yeah, that's what my initial thoughts are, and it's a bit higher price, and yeah, it's high on the price as we can see. So yeah, because the specifications, it lags in specification, so yeah, it's higher on price. So yeah. Well, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out. Subscribe, follow me and do everything. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out.